Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Merk Reacts. I'm Merk, and today I'm taking a look at another song off the Garage Days albums. I just lumped it all into one big set of album songs. It was too complicated for me to try to figure out. I mean, I'm sure I'll figure it out with time, but this was the best way in the beginning to organize it. I'm doing every song that I can find on any of the Garage Days albums by Metallica. And right now I'm at Crash Course in Brain Surgery. This is 2013 remaster of the Budgie's version, which I think is the original. I hope. Looks like 1971 it came out, so it's definitely earlier than Metallica's version. So we're going to listen to it, and then we're going to jump right into Metallica's. So let's go. This is going to be a long video as it is, so let's see about it. Maybe it won't be too long. It's only 2 minutes 39 seconds. Here we go. Okay, well, I didn't even pause that one. That was an interesting little drivey song. I mean, it was not very heavy on guitar work or anything else for that matter. Honestly, it didn't impress me that much. So, I mean, it was a song and I could groove to it. It was okay. I don't know. Let me just move on to the Metallica version and see if it makes me feel any better.
There is no limitation. We won't challenge completely. In the next
I think they're swinging it a little more. The beat's a little shifted. It's still basically the same, but it's a little deeper, little more oomph to it. Maybe it's the mastering there, the mixing down. Let's go. That's where I would put a solo. Okay, yeah, like I said, that was a little tougher. They threw the guitar solo in right where I said I would put it there. That was pretty awesome. Right after I said that, there you go. Much better. I think Metallica's version is just totally blew it out of the water. Lots better. I still didn't love the song. I think it's just because it is what it is, but I think their version's a lot better. I don't know what else to say about that one. Not one of my favorites by them or anybody else, but it's okay. It's okay. It's still better than 90% of the music out there. Guys, like, share, subscribe, hit the post notifications so you know when I drop something new. And keep sending requests in. I'll try to knock them out. This is what it is today, fellas, people, all y'all, whatever. Hey, peace out.